Hi guys, in this video we are going to create the best teams for today's match between CSK versus Punjab Kings. So the today match will be at Dubai International Stadium, which is a balanced pitch which will support both batting as well as bowling. The average score will be around 160 runs or 150 160 runs. So this is going to be a balanced pitch. So let's use our software and create some powerful teams for today's match. So let's click on cricket here, and after that we need to click on generate teams, and we need to choose the fantasy application that you are playing. So let's click on Dream 11 and after that continue, and we need to choose the series. The IPL is the series that is going on, and after that continue. And we have lot of types of generations available here. So let me quickly tell about these generations. So smart generation section is for mega grand leagues. I mean it creates risky grand league teams, and quick small league is for small league section, small leagues, and quick grand league is for grand league, standard grand league teams. And the last one is the advanced generation section, which is the most powerful section because we are going to use our predictions along with the software in this section to create the most accurate teams. So if you don't have much knowledge on cricket, just go for about first three sections. Any of these is fine. If you have some good knowledge and if you have some prediction skills, or if you want to follow my predictions, just go with the advanced generation section. So it is very powerful. So let's click on advanced generation section, and after that we need to choose the teams. So first of all, the match is in between CSK versus Kings 11 Punjab, which is Punjab Kings, and after that continue. And we need to give the match number. You can give any number because we need the match number to store your teams. So to access the teams again, you need the match number. You can give any match number. That's what you have to remember. For example, 58 is the not 58. For example, 26 is the match number. You can give any number. After that continue, and we need to choose at least 6 players from both the teams. So there is a probable 11. Probable playing 11 I am going to select as of now. So after the task you can also create the teams. That is also fine. So let's click on MS Dhoni or Lokesh Rahul. I don't want to select MS Dhoni here. I want to leave him because according to the fantasy, MS Dhoni is not a good fantasy player. So let's click on Faf du Plessis, and Suresh Raina might play or might not play. In his place, Robin Uthappa have played yesterday, last match. So Ruturaj Gaikwad, Ambat Rayudu, and Robin Uthappa, Moeen Ali, Ravindra Jadeja, and Sadhu Thakur, Deepak Chahar, Bravo, and Josh Hazlewood. These are the 10 players from CSK side. I have dropped MS Dhoni, and from the Kings 11 Punjab side, Lokesh Rahul. You can drop Nicholas Pooran, or if you want to go with Nicholas Pooran, that is also fine. Let's click on Nicholas Pooran. He is not in good form, that is for sure. You can leave him. I don't think he will play today. He will perform well. If you think, you can also select him. And Mayank Agarwal, and Aiden Markram, Shah Rukh Khan, Sarfraz Khan, and Moses Enriquez, and Mohammad Shami, and Ravi Bishnoi, Arshdeep Singh, and H. Brad. So these are the 10 players from Kings 11 Punjab side. If you want to select Nicholas Pooran, that is your choice. I think Nicholas Pooran will also fail today. That is what I am predicting. And so let's click on continue here, and after that we need to select the fixed players. So I would like to fix Lokesh Rahul here, and also I would like to fix Mohammad Shami because he is taking at least 2 wickets every match. These are the 2 players I am fixing. And from the CSK side, I don't want to take any risk. So let software do the job for us, and let's continue. You can, if you want fix, you can fix Darren Bravo because he is bowling final overs. That is also fine. Let's continue here, and we need to select the captain players. Faf du Plessis, Ruturaj Gaikwad, and Moeen Ali, Ravindra Jadeja, and Josh Hazlewood, and Darren Bravo from the CSK side. And from the Punjab Kings side, Lokesh Rahul, Mayank Agarwal, and Mohammad Shami. So these are the 3 players from Punjab Kings, and these are the 6 players from CSK side I have selected for captain selection, and after that continue. And for the vice captain, we can select more players here. So let's select more players for vice captain, and also from the Punjab Kings side also let's select more players in vice captain section. So after that continue. So I think CSK will be the winning side. CSK is stronger than Kings 11 Punjab, so we can go with the favor of CSK. So first of all, we are going to go with more players from CSK, which is 7-4 and 6-5. That means 6 players from CSK and 5 players from Punjab, and also 7 players from CSK and 4 players from Punjab. And after that continue. And we need to give the credit range, and the credit range will be 97.5 to I think 99.5. You can give like this one, and after that continue. And we need to select the strategies. I suggest you to go with all the one wicket keeper strategies. So 1-4-3-4. So I have selected, you can see 1-3-2-5, 1-3-3-4, 1-4-2-4, 1-4-3-3 and 1-3-4-3. So after that continue. So we need to enter the number of teams you want to generate. Here I want to generate 20 teams, that is fine for me. And after that generate teams. So you can see the teams are successfully generated and stored at match number 26, and all these teams are very accurate teams because we have used our predictions along with the software. So I hope you guys like this video. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. Please go ahead and check that out. And thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.